Hello and welcome to my channel 𝓭𝓸𝓷'𝓽, and today guys I'm going to be showing you, as you saw, how to bedazzle this super cute Trader Joe's micro tote bag. It is so adorable. It has a grocery bag inside of this super cute tote, guys, and I'm also going to be showing you how to turn it into a keychain. Very easy and very simple, guys. So if you want to learn exactly how to do it, keep on watching. Let's begin by me showing you some of the materials I'm going to be using. Starting off with my favorite liquid fusion. I do have it in my applicator bottle just to make it easier to apply to the totes. I also have my pickup tool and I have my rhinestones. I am using some red rhinestones in a size SS3 and navy blue rhinestones in a size SS4, 8, and 12. So now to bedazzling. So I am starting off with the logo. I am only using size SS3 in a red rhinestone for this area because it is very small. So very carefully I applied the liquid fusion with my applicator bottle, and then I started applying the rhinestones very carefully, making sure I stay within my line, working by sections. As you saw, I only applied it to that small area. Moving on to the bottom, I did the same thing. If you have seen my other DIYs where I bedazzle the Trader Joe's bag, basically the same thing. The only difference is sizing, obviously. Moving on to the letters, working one by one, applying my liquid fusion and then applying the rhinestones. I do like to use the other tip of the pickup tool to apply these tiny rhinestones, for example SS3, which is the smallest. It just makes it easier, guys. I can see better because with the tip, the wax tip, it is a little chunky, so sometimes it's hard for me to see where the rhinestone is. So I do like to use the other end. I just put a little bit of glue on it and it makes it a little tacky to pick up those rhinestones. So that's why you guys see me using this back end. Again, just going letter by letter, applying the rhinestones. Like I always tell you guys, always remember to double check your work by section so your glue does not dry out on you. This is such an easy and quick DIY, guys. Great for maybe stocking stuffers, you know, a quick little gift just for you. So easy to do, guys. So I am done with the little logo. Now I'm going to do the straps on the side. I do have my navy blue rhinestones, and as you can see, I just dotted the glue randomly across that strap, and then I randomly just applied the rhinestones, placing them over those dots of glue. Very easy, guys. I did the same exact thing to the other side. I literally did this project in, I would say, less than an hour, both sides, guys. So here is this one side. I did the same thing to the other side. Do let one side completely dry before working on the other side so you don't mess up your rhinestones. And look at it, guys. It is so adorable, guys. But to make it even more adorable, I did turn it into a bag charm, guys. So like I said, it does have that grocery bag in there. So I did take it out so I wouldn't mess it up. And as you can see right there, it does have that area flipped inside of the sewing, like I guess the canvas. So it was kind of thick, so I was like, okay, let me do it on one side. This is just a quick little DIY charm, guys. So I have this needle and I just poked a hole on it, guys. You guys can see me pulling that fabric a bit. I made a hole through there, and then I had a jumping ring that I stuck through that little hole that I had made with the needle. I used my pliers a bit. And then after that, I added the keychain into the little jumping ring, and then I closed it up with my pliers, making sure it was completely sealed. So as you guys can see, very easy, guys. Obviously, it's not a professional job, just a quick DIY. That is the whole point, right? And then I added the grocery bag back inside just to make sure it still fit perfectly. And look at that. Beautiful. It is so adorable. It is officially a bag charm. I love it. So here are my final results. What do you guys think? Leave me a lovely comment down below. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned a little something. Now you know how to bedazzle your own little micro Trader Joe's bag. It is so cute, and even make it into a bag charm because you know bag charms are the it thing right now, guys. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. stay tuned for many more DIYs to come. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.